Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to draw Goku from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. The materials I'm using are 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching and a eraser stick, black pen and a kneaded eraser, touch soft red markers and a white pen. So we're good to go, let's do it. We'll start by drawing a small W in the center of the box, and then we'll draw his eyebrow and his eyes. Repeat the same process for the left eye. And then we'll add his eyeballs and his pupil. Once we are done with the eye, we'll draw his wrinkles and his nose. I'm gonna draw the mouth really close to his nose. Once we are done with that, we'll draw the shape of the face. And his ears right beside the eye. Now we are going to draw the front 4 spikes of his hair. Do some corrections if you need to. Now I'm gonna complete the hair. I'll draw a first few spikes and then I'll use a guideline to complete it. Now we'll add some random lines. Now we'll draw his collar and his neck. Do a rough sketch of the body to keep the body parts in correct proportions. Now we'll draw his shoulder where we made a big oval. Now we'll draw his belt with the symbol. I don't know what it means, but still. After you're done sketching, ink the entire drawing. I'm not showing it here, but ink it properly, and after that we are going to use touch soft red color markers. I'm using touch soft red color markers for coloring. If you check the top left of your screen, you will see the exact color I'm using. If you guys think that this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.